channel. My name is Adriana, also known as Snuggles. Now, it is the day after Thanksgiving, and you know what that means. It is the winner for the giveaway is announced. It is live on my Instagram, and it's almost Vlogmas. It's almost Christmas. But onto the video of making my Mazapan cake. Now, if you enjoyed the video, I hope you guys get to try this recipe out because I loved it, and obviously you can modify it. I made all the ingredients extra because I made a taller cake, and I did have icing over from my ingredients that I made from the icing, and I did not get to record that, but I did put the instructions on how to make it, and I hope you guys try it because in the end you see the results of the cake. I am no professional baker, I am no professional cake maker, baking, all that stuff, but it still came out delicious. Subscribe, comment, like, share this video if you love the recipe and if you are wanting to try it as well. And also stay tuned for Vlogmas coming up starting Sunday. December 1st is the first Vlogmas I will ever be doing. And also I will probably announce either then or in the following video of what the giveaway will be in December. Comment down a recipe you would want me to try. And also follow me on social media, Instagram at AJLove94 and Snapchat at AJLove_94.